Hello there, Manish here. So I'm a certified Zapier expert and I can assist you with your own Zapier automation requirement. I have experience working with more than 500 different business apps and I can build almost any type of automation using Zapier. So these can be very small automation, 2-3 steps, or this can be very large automation with multiple path, multiple filters, and the large data handling. Plus, along with that, we can also make API calls from Zapier in case if you wanted to connect with any app which does not exist inside Zapier or the relevant modules are not there, we can directly do API call using a module called Webhook by Zapier. And there we can do post, put, or get calls directly from any other business application. So let me quickly walk you through my own experience with Zapier and how I can help you to build your things. So currently I'm managing so many organizations. And along with this, I'll quickly showcase you a couple of real small zaps. So for example, here is a WordPress post. The content is getting into a Google Doc and then summary is created using ChatGPT. Now, these kind of large apps where I have WooCommerce connected with QuickBooks. So creating an invoice, creating a customer inside QuickBooks. Same way over here, a small automation for QuickBooks as well. These kind of large automation which has more than 50 steps. So starting right from something called Eventbrite, managing all these data, connecting the data into Salesforce and obviously Google Sheet. And this is how the entire multiple routes works out. Again, small automation for Broadly and as well as connected to Zapier SMS. So yeah, these kind of things can be done. And along with that, Zapier also released two major updates on their platform. One is called Zapier Table, which can be used very well to hold any kind of data. And secondly, Zapier also has something called Zapier Central, which is kind of a AI automation platform. So we can build almost any sort of conversational AI using the AI prompts, and these AI can work along with any SMS or voice kind of things. So yeah, I can assist you with your automation requirement using Zapier. So do let me know if you'd like to jump on a call. We can connect, discuss your requirement, and lay out the entire plan how we are going to build this. So thank you very much. Looking forward to hear from you. Good day. Bye.